In the latest Tesla app update 4.36.6, we're diving deep into the enhancements and fixes that are reshaping the way we interact with our vehicles. This isn't just an update, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive tech. The app continues to refine user experience, bringing intuitive features that streamline everything from charging management to climate control. One of the standout features in this update is the improved statistics dashboard. Users can now access real-time data on installations and app performance, giving insights that were previously hard to come by. Imagine knowing exactly how many users are on the latest version or seeing the percentage of installs that are pending. This level of transparency is revolutionary. Moreover, the update optimizes the performance of various functions, ensuring that your Tesla runs smoother than ever. Security enhancements are also front and center, keeping your data and vehicles safe from ever-growing cyber threats. Tesla is not just about electric vehicles, it's about creating a seamless ecosystem. With each update, they are pushing boundaries and setting the standard for what modern driving should be. This podcast was co-produced by Daniela Haranoff and Mogul Media AI, produced by Daniela Haranoff.